Hello. The Republic of Iceland. It is a Nordic island country. Iceland is situated between the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. The main island is south of the Arctic Circle. There are 30 minor islands in Iceland. It is the most sparsely populated country in Europe. The capital and the largest city is Reykjavik. Most of the people live in towns in the southwest. There is geothermal power and hydroelectricity, so most residents do not spend a lot for hot water, heating or electricity. Here we have a waterfall, the Blue Lagoon, and you can swim in the Blue Lagoon. Northern Lights or Aurora Borealis. Here we have a volcano, an ice cave, and a glacier lagoon south. Hallgrim's Church, Reykjavik, in winter. A geyser, a glacier, the biggest glacier, and whale fishing. The climate. The south coast is warmer, windier, and wetter than the north. Snow in the north in winter is more than in the south. The Gulf Stream warms Iceland and the climate is temperate. Summers are chilly, quite cold. Most of the archipelago has a tundra climate. The Northern Highlands in winter, the Northern Highlands in summer, and a waterfall in summer. Look at the people and the size of the waterfall. Typical Icelandic dress and traditional Icelandic turf houses. On the roof you have the turf. Most Icelanders lived in these houses until the 20th century. The features and landscape. Inland areas in the north are low-lying and arid. The Central Highlands are the coldest and are uninhabitable. The interior consists of sand and lava fields, mountains and glaciers. Because of soil erosion, cultivation of the land is useless. About 14% is covered by lakes and glaciers. 23% is vegetated. Iceland has 3 main national parks. There are many geysers. Glacial rivers flow to the sea. Iceland is active volcanically and geologically. The animals. There are not many species of insects on the island. The only native land mammal is the Arctic fox. Most animals are descendants of ones imported by Europe. Industries. The fishing industry is a principal part of the Icelandic economy. Whale watching is an important part of the economy. Commercial whaling is also practiced. Minorities, language and names. The largest minority group are the Poles. English and Danish are widely spoken. Other languages are Swedish, Norwegian, German and French. Patronymic last names are based on the father's first name. Elizabeth, John's daughter. Matronymic names are based on the mother's name. Elizabeth, Catherine's daughter. 85% of health care is paid by taxes. There are no private hospitals. Food. This is a collection of food. It is an assortment of cured shark, cured ram, singed sheep's head. This is the singed sheep's head. Black pudding, and puffin. This is a puffin. This is marinated whale, cured puffin, smoked lamb, and smoked salmon. This food is usually eaten on the first Friday after the 19th of January. Traditional food is based on fish, lamb, and dairy products. This traditional food does not include fruit or vegetables. Fruit and vegetables are now grown in greenhouses and they are very expensive. Icelanders drink a lot of coffee, Coca-Cola, and a type of vodka called brennivin. Breakfast is pancakes, cereal, fruit, and coffee. Lunch is usually a smorgasbord, which is cold meats and cured meats. Dinner is the main meal of the day with fish or lamb, potatoes, cabbage, and rye bread. Bye-bye.